What's up, y'all? It's Charles here. Just here to give y'all another video. I'm gonna show you guys just real briefly how I upcycled these shorts. Made them real tactical, and yeah, they came out pretty cool. I upcycled them out of a IKEA blanket, IKEA robe, sorry. This is what it looked like before, and this is what it looked like from me tearing it down. I got my little pieces right here. That's the bottom right panel. Bottom left panel came also as well. That's me attaching it to another piece of fabric. Here's me ironing down my creases. You make sure everything was nice and pressed, so my stitching can be all nice and lined up. As you can see, there's the stitching. The top stitch came out pretty okay. Still getting better. Yeah, these are the tactical parts. Like I said, it has zippers on there for pockets, and it's another pocket right there for like storage. So that's the part that I'm kind of most excited about. So yeah, I'm back to ironing my creases, making sure everything looks nice, so the stitching can be perfect. This right here is actually the sticker that came with the robe. I just took it off and added it to the shorts. I thought it was pretty cool, and it gave me time to work on, my stitching, my top stitches. And this is how the shorts came out all together. As always, you can always leave a like, leave a comment, especially if you have any tips to get better. I'm always down to learn, but for right now, I think I'm heading in the right direction. So yeah, leave a like if you like what you see. More to come. Peace.